AI agents are quite spectacular because they can perform actions or make decisions autonomously to achieve specific goals or solve problems within an environment. These agents can perceive their surroundings to some extent using sensors and act upon that environment with effectors. They are designed to optimize their performance and achieve their objectives, often through learning from interactions and adapting to changes in their environment. AI agents can range from simple software such as chatbots or personal assistants to complex systems in robotics, autonomous vehicles, and advanced data analysis and decision making tools. AgentBoard is one such software which enables you to run AI agents simply within a browser. This is one of the easiest way I have seen so far to run AI agents. Now, as I said, AI agent could be anything. It depends upon the application of that AI agent. There are some simple AI agents and there are some complex ones. But the sole purpose behind AI agent is that it performs a task. Now, if you look at agent board, this is primarily, it's not just an AI chatbot. It is letting you perform some task. So if you're just question answering or asking something or chatting with an AI, then that is just chatbot. That is another form of AI agent too, but a very, very simple one. But this agent board, which you can see on your screen, is enabling you to perform some tasks, such as you can plot a graph from a CSV file conversion for an image, and get audio from a YouTube video, and there are various other tasks too. So let's try out one of their example. Let's click on plot a graph from CSV file. So now it is saying that go to use home user cities.csv to create a plot of latitude and temperature, then output as an image. Now this is quite cool. What I will do, instead of using their example, maybe I will upload my CSV file and ask it a question. So I have just uploaded my own CSV file which contains a financial sample data. Let me show you that file quickly. So this is the file which contains products, their sales by year, profit, and a lot of other things with numbers and stuff. So this is just a sample data from which I downloaded from a public repository. Now let's go back to our agent board. I already uploaded the file. Let me ask it to use this financial sample.csv to create a plot of product and sales. Both of these columns, product and sales, are present in that CSV, and then I'm asking it to output it as an image. Let's press enter. Let's see what it does. I will let it run to show you the speed of it, because that is quite important for an agent to make sure that latency is not there. And if you look at the top right, it is using Open Interpreter or GPT-4. I'm not sure which one it is using. The GPT-4 is the model, but Open Interpreter is the open source data analysis tool. So GPT-4 has its own code interpreter, so I'm not sure if it is using that one or not. Once it comes back with a response, I will also click on it to see what other options are available. So let's wait for this one to come back. Still running. So it has started printing out the response, quite slow I would say. So first it has given me the plan that it is going to import the necessary libraries and read the file. And then after reading and understanding the structure, it is going to create a plot using the X and Y axis, and then it will be saving the plot and then let the user know. Now you can see that it has come up with a plan, and now it is executing the step 1 to inspect the structure of the file. So let's wait for it to complete it. There you go. So it has given, it is giving us the code to do that, which seems quite good. It is using the pandas library for the data, the frames, which is nice. That's what I would do too. So you see that it has produced the code, and now it is running the code in E2B. E2B is simply a cloud-based sandbox for running AI agents and apps securely. So it has already inspected it, which is cool. Let me scroll down, and now it is confirming the presence of product and sales. That is awesome. So far so good. And now it is stuck there for the last 5 minutes, not doing anything. Maybe if I regenerate the response, it will start from the top. and the speed is quite slow. I think that is one thing they need to improve. I have double checked my internet speed, that is fine. So it seems that maybe it is a free version or something. Anyway, but we got the idea that it creates a plan and then it executes that plan. Idea is awesome. That is what agent is supposed to do. Now, if I click on the top right, for now this is just more coming. So it is just only deals with Open Interpreter and GPT-4, and then more coming soon. Pretty good. Okay. And what is this thing? If I click here, okay, feedback. Anyway, so I will drop the link to this in video's description. Play around with it. Let me know what do you think. Pretty good tool, I should say. The only drawback is its latency. Otherwise, all good. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps. Thanks for watching.